Fala galera, welcome to the Strategist Corner. This is episode number 10 of the Mosaic series, and in this one I'll be introducing a new concept called NoBI. NoBI means not only business intelligence, and it's a concept that many companies must be using without even calling it this way. It refers to the ability of being able to leverage not only business intelligence applications to consume data. Actually, companies they rely on many different data sources today, and they need to consume that information not only in their BI tools but also from external applications. Could be Salesforce, for example, could be a CSM application, all that retrieving the same information in a consolidated way, and we can call it a NoBI. It's a concept that I'm introducing in this video, and I hope you guys like this. In the following video, you'll see how Strategy Mosaic allow companies to connect to different data sources, and then you can not only use Mosaic, but create a dashboard in Strategy, and finally, consume that dashboard in Salesforce itself. So the idea behind this is that a user does not need to even log out from their standard application, like for example Salesforce, and they can consume data right from there. Data that is consolidated. That's the NoBI concept that I'm presenting to you in the following video. Alright, in this scenario, the VP of sales of a company has access to Salesforce where he can find like accounts information, he can check for the healthy of specific account, check information about it, go and check the details of that account. That same person also has access to opportunities where he can see, for example, the newest opportunities he has on his pipeline. Again, check for details, see whatever he's looking to get as information from that piece of information. That same person also has access to campaigns where he or she can find detailed information about a specific marketing campaign. It could be here in Salesforce or in other application like Marketo. Now, that same person also has access to invoice information, which is in Snowflake. It's not in Salesforce anymore. As you can see here, invoice amount, some campaign ID related information in one of the tables in Snowflake. That Snowflake instance also contains product usage information, and then here this person can check for product usage related information. But again, this is widespread, right? It's not in Salesforce, it's in Snowflake right now. So how we can collect everything together? This is where Mosaic comes into place. I'm showing you here how to create a Mosaic model in Strategy, and here you're basically connecting all those pieces together. You are actually connecting Salesforce, Snowflake, could be Marketo, could be any other database or even local files. Later, you could be joining these things together. Make sure to create the proper relationships. Like, for example, I would like to relate accounts to opportunities, and then later campaigns with product usage or with accounts itself. You do all of this in Mosaic. And here you create this universal semantic layer. You unify everything in a single business layer. That's very powerful, as you can see. And finally, you now go to Strategy and you create a dashboard out of it. So this dashboard contains all the different views of the data that we previously mentioned. So we have like a Salesforce view, a Snowflake view. We are bringing together that Mosaic model that we created in the previous step. And now we're creating different views of that data. For example, in here we have a first view with the combined KPIs all together. You can see on annual revenue, opportunity amount, campaign generated, all these coming from different sources. And later, you will be able to see other views, like for example, the invoice view. This is the data in Snowflake, right? It's available here with different views showing that by product or whatever different categories we want to see. One more view now available showing product usage. And again, here with different visualizations, bringing together all that product usage metrics that we want to analyze. And finally, campaign data, which is in Salesforce, but again, could be in Marketo, could be anywhere else. Again, with their own views, all available in a single dashboard. Again, we call this the universal semantic layer, or we can refer to it as the NoBI concept. We can apply filters to that dashboard as you're seeing now. Finally, we have the NoBI experience. In other words, the VP of Sales doesn't need to go to a strategy dashboard. He's right here in Salesforce. There is an embedded dashboard here. As you can see right from Salesforce, he can see all the information he needs to access. He doesn't need to navigate outside. It's right here. He can continue to apply the filters to the dashboard. He can continue to go from one visualization to another. And that unified view is what we would be referring to as the NoBI experience, available for that person, saving a lot of time, as you can see now. All right, so that was it for this one. I hope you guys are as excited as I am with this NoBI new term here. I actually recently created an article in Medium, which I'll leave the link down below here. I recommend you guys reading and letting me know your comments as well. Okay, so thanks for watching this one, and as I normally say, I'll see you at the next corner.